Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by locating the ID context so you don't chase the wrong value. Start inside the message, header, or API payload and scan labels like reference ID, ref, or transaction ID. These are the most common tags. Once done, note nearby fields, timestamps, order numbers, or user ID because they help cross-check. Make sure to copy the exact string including hyphens or prefixes. Small differences break lookup attempts. Finally, verify which system generated it so you query the right source. You now move into the systems that store or display the ID. Query logs and audit trails with the exact string. When that fails, try partial matches or quoted searches. Once you have a target system, run API get calls or database select queries against indexed ID fields to pull the full record. Make sure to use admin consoles or ticket views to surface related metadata and export a CSV if you need bulk matching. Remember why? Cross-referencing proves you found the right event. You finish by validating the reference ID against supporting data so the match is reliable. Compare timestamps, user or order ID, and any amounts to confirm the record aligns. If everything matches, document the ID plus its source. If you can't find it, expand time windows, recheck retention policies, or search other systems that might generate alternate ID. When escalating, attach screenshots, log excerpts, and the exact ID string so others can reproduce your steps quickly and avoid back and forth.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.